Top 8 natural must-eat foods that keep kidneys healthy. Did you know there are delicious foods that can help your kidneys? Believe it or not, what you eat plays a big role in keeping these vital organs functioning properly. In today's video, we're revealing the top 8 must-eat natural foods that can help you achieve optimal kidney function and feel your best. Before we dive into the foods that unleash wellspring into your kidneys, let's talk about kidneys first. Your kidneys are incredible organs, silently working behind the scenes to filter waste and maintain a healthy balance in your body. They also regulate blood pressure and electrolytic balance and produce some beneficial hormones. Still, when functioning is somehow disturbed by eating junk food, sugary drinks, etc., then they will not be able to properly filter the waste. Now, the unfiltered waste material will cause some serious health issues. But don't worry. In this video, you are going to learn about some of the best natural foods that will keep your kidneys healthy. These foods were chosen because of their healthful options, especially for those who have renal disease. Not only benefits, we are also excited to share some tips on how to consume these foods for maximum output. Stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss an upcoming video. 1. Blueberries. Let's talk about those little bursts of sunshine. Blueberries. They're not just delicious, they pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. They are known for their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This is because of the chemical anthocyanins present in the fruit. Anthocyanin reduces stress and inflammation, which are the main culprit behind kidney damage. High potassium levels in the blood discomfort kidneys, but you don't have to worry because the tiny little fruits are low in potassium, making it the best choice for people having chronic kidney disease. Low sodium and higher water content make it more suitable for patients with high blood pressure, making the fluid and electrolyte balance in proper shape. This balance is crucial for making your kidney function optimally. Regular consumption of these little, vibrant colored fruits can have a significant impact on your kidneys. You may maximize their potential by serving them as snacks, topping yogurt in the morning, or blending them into a smoothie. It's up to you too. Cucumber. Staying well hydrated is the key to a kidney's health. Proper hydration helps dilute the minerals and salts in the urine, reducing the risk of stone formation. Cucumber water is a great way to remain hydrated since cucumber is about 95% water. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and tannins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce inflammation, the main reason behind kidney damage. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which enhance the immune system to fight free radicals, another reason behind many health conditions. Think of it as a protective shield. Some of the studies published in the International Journal of Health Services may help in preventing cancer by stopping cancer cells from reproducing. Uric acid stones are more likely to form in acidic environments, thus drinking cucumber water can help ease this problem. Reducing the acidity of the urine stream can help avoid or lessen the impact of urinary acid stones. Keep in mind that cucumbers are like your kidney's best buddies, whether you're eating them raw, slicing them into salads, or adding them to water for a pleasant touch. Not only are they hydrating, but they are also anti-inflammatory, rich in antioxidants, and relatively free of potentially problematic minerals. You can do wonders for your kidney health by making this simple dietary adjustment. 3. Fish. When you are eating fish, you are not enjoying only the delicious meal, but you are putting some of the best nutrients into your body. Unlike some land-based meats, fish are typically lower in saturated fat and higher in water content. This means a lighter meal for your body, making it easier for your kidneys to process and eliminate waste. One of the components present in the fish is omega-3 fatty acid, which reduces inflammation around your kidneys, the major contributor to kidney damage over time, but this doesn't stop here. They also increase the blood flow, making it easier for the kidney to filter the waste. Protein, the major component of the fish, is used to repair cells, build muscles, and heal wounds, contributing to the overall health and healthy kidneys. However, high protein intake can worsen kidney damage in people with kidney disease. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to ensure you're getting the benefits without overdoing the protein intake. Watch out for high sodium content. Don't go for canned fish. Make sure to go for fresh or frozen fish for maximum benefits. By incorporating fish into your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your kidneys a high five for olive oil. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, it has graced tables and nourished bodies for millennia. Olive oil contains a lot of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleic acid and hydroxytyrosol, both of which have been found to improve heart health and may help manage diabetes. Powerful antioxidant polyphenols present in olive oil have anti-inflammatory properties and reduce inflammation around the kidneys, which may protect against chronic kidney disease progression. The low amount of potassium and sodium present in olive oils, as compared to the other oils, makes it more suitable for the patient with kidney disease who have to limit their intake. Studies suggest that incorporating olive oil into your diet can help regulate blood pressure, taking some of the stress off your kidneys. High blood pressure is a common cause of kidney illness, making this indirect protection a useful asset. Including olive oil in your diet helps improve and protect your kidneys while also lowering your risk of heart disease and cancer. Take olive as drizzling over dishes, sautéing, or dressing salads. It is up to you. Aiding it in your diet not only increases its flavor, but also gives a boost to your kidney. 5. Cauliflower. Ever think of it when you are eating cauliflower that it possesses the ability to boost your kidney's function? Let's have a look. Cauliflower is packed with vitamins and essential for maintaining over health. It contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These combat free radicals that cause damage to the kidney by reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. The presence of fiber aids in digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. In this way, it reduces strain on the kidneys and prevents conditions like diabetic nephropathy. Their anti-inflammatory compounds act as a shield by protecting kidney health and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, sodium content should not be overlooked. In order to keep blood pressure under control and the strain on the kidneys to a minimum, limiting sodium is essential. Because of its low sodium content, cauliflower is an ideal vegetable for this purpose. Plus, cauliflower has so many uses in the kitchen that it's practically magic. Indulge in the kidney-loving benefits of cauliflower in a variety of tasty ways. Roast it for that delightful crispy texture, mash it into a hearty side dish, or add it to stir-fries for an additional crunch. 6. Garlic. Garlic has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Its medicinal properties compelled ancients to use garlic as a medicine. There is no such thing garlic can't do. Allicin, the mighty antioxidant present in garlic, shown the best results in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. These two factors are the ones that are causing your kidney damage. Hypertension is the major cause of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and end-stage renal disease, ESRD, either contributing to the disease or, more typically, accelerating its progression. In the United States, hypertension accounts for around 30% of all incident ESRD cases. This is where garlic steps in. By easing the tension in the blood vessels and enhancing the blood flow, garlic can help reduce blood pressure. This small action, actually not that small, will surely improve our renal health and prevent additional harm. The benefits of garlic are not only limited to kidneys. Their antimicrobial and antifungal properties also help in fighting infections by boosting immunity. So garlic is not just boosting our kidney health, but also contributing to overall health. Add garlic to your daily diet in culinary amounts to prolong and maximize the benefit. People who already have kidney problems should consult with their doctor. 7. Onions. In addition to delicious food, onions are kidney-friendly. When it comes to kidney health, onions can offer a wide range of benefits that improve kidney health. Thanks to their antioxidant component, quercetin has anti-inflammatory properties and helps in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Some of the studies suggested that allicin, a compound present in onions, can help in lowering blood pressure, a major concern for kidney health. For example, a 2017 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Science found that high doses of allicin were just as effective as the high blood pressure and kidney disease drug losartan. In 2016, another study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity concluded that allicin could help reduce high blood pressure in people with CKD. Incorporating onions into your diet not only gives a taste of pleasure but also ensures the overall wellness of the health and especially the kidneys. 8. Apples. You might have heard a common English language proverb that, "An apple a day keep the doctor away." However, the evidence doesn't support it. However, a small fraction of U.S. adults who eat an apple a day appear to use fewer prescription medications. Apple is rich in fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. By incorporating it into your regular diet, it ensures that you don't have to go for medication. Fiber-rich properties help boost the digestive system, making the stomach happy. High potassium content is not good news for patients with kidney conditions as it damages the vital organs, but the low potassium content of apples is a valuable asset. Furthermore, antioxidants found in apples play a vital role in protecting kidney damage by reducing oxidative stress, as they can lead to cellular damage over time. Flavonoids found in the apple may help in reducing the risk of stroke. A study of over 20,000 adults found that consuming higher amounts of white flesh, fruits, and vegetables, especially apples, was linked to a lower risk of stroke. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, neutralizes free radicals, and protects against kidney disease. By incorporating all these mentioned foods, you are ensuring that your kidneys receive essential minerals that help them function optimally. Healthcare advice is always recommended. So that's all for today. If you did find our video valuable and informative, please like the video. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and activate the bell icon. Your support is making sure that we keep going.